Hello Lean community, today is the 2nd of December and today I did some 2-second lean 3S'ing, that's shine, sort and standardize into my homes. Here it is, today I looked at first aid at home. Here's a before and after picture. The issue was people in the house, the kids, parents, visitors, couldn't distinguish between what was emergency first aid and what was everyday maintenance, feeling better when you're sick type of first aid. So what I did is I shined the first test, shined the area, some water and some cloth, sorted out the medicine and the supplies, threw away any supplies which were expired or old, and had a good look at what I needed to keep in the first aid kit. And I got some help from some websites and ChatGPT to give me some ideas about what were the important non-negotiable parts of a first aid kit for a home. I got out my favorite cloth tape and some Sharpies to make some visual cues as to where things go. So this is the emergency first aid area up here, when every second counts, and here is the general family first aid for bumps, bruises, and just general feeling better. So that's what I did today. That's my improvement before and after. I hope you enjoyed looking at my 2-second improvement, fixing what bugs me today. If you like watching improvement videos, please check out my channel at BenHC. Here's my YouTube channel, and here is my TikTok and my Instagram. Thanks for listening. I will see you later.